Hello, Sushi Kids, Mrs. Snow, WWE, YouTube, World Sushi. Heavyweight champion, coming with the
They must see your like.
free review today. So I went to this is my aunt's house to record enchiladas and tacos. Tacos just different guys. So let's get some bite of this enchilada and this taco here. We gonna go and say sushi. Yeah, this is his taste.
Oh my. That thing exploded.
Spicy. It's good.
See, is it good?
That's super
So
good.
good.
Videoing. Oops.
Mm.
How is it, Andy?
I love it.
He's doing a review right now.
Are you gonna do that? Are you gonna?
You're
Are you gonna say?
That's amazing.
That's amazing. You're live.
Wow. I need a fork, but I don't think this is enchilada.
Forks back there.
So I'm waiting. Oh, here we go. A fork for my enchilada. What it is? Got this?
Okay.
This is live now.
So we're gonna say sushi. Yeah.
We need
This
a
is his
live
taste.
review.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh wow. 1 out of 10.
Uh-oh. Please be the test. Please. Give me that. Wait a minute.
And that's a missing potato.
Boom!
So that's a good preview for my
My life is.
and my uncle's and my cousin's house.
Oh,
I love it.
Yes, yes, Cindy.
So shout out to my Aunt Cindy over here because Aunt Cindy actually makes this good here. Thank you so much, Aunt Cindy. So we're doing my schedule
I think I should put more.
tomorrow. So if you please look at my asshole here. So thank you for watching us guys and please drop a like, comment, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Never miss a bell. And please, what's happening? Post sponsor me on my YouTube channel. See the YouTube channel. And other experiences too, please. And please, share with yourself to pay and your friends. And please follow me at
That's hot. You want a fork?
Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter, and even the time with that. I see what's with you guys. Sushi, yeah!
Sushi.